As I told you, in this chapter, we will solve the problem based on heights and distances with the help of trigonometric ratios. But how to solve, how to get the results, let us see with the help of few examples. So first example I am taking, a tower stands vertically on the ground. Read it by line. A tower stands vertically on the ground and start making the diagram. Question is saying there is ground and one tower which is standing vertically. Vertically means making angle of 90 degree. So I am taking this tower. This is top of the tower and this is foot of the tower. Give it name A, B. From here you can say AB is your tower. Fine. Now further read it. From a point on the ground means there is one point also. Give it name C. From a point on the ground which is means they are talking about point 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. Means the point C, which I assume C, is 15 meter away from point B. B is foot of the tower. So distance between point and foot of the tower is 15 meter. Fine. Now further question says the angle of elevation. We are talking from the point only. From the point. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The angle of elevation. Angle of elevation which will look upward. Fine. So angle of elevation. This is angle of elevation between line of sight and horizontal plane is 60 degree. And you have to find out height of the tower. Now see, recall the concepts of chapter number 8. There we have discussed the side opposite to theta. Theta is here 60 degree. Side opposite to theta is always perpendicular. Side opposite to 90 degree is always hypotenuse, and the third one is base. Now what you have to find out in this, if we are talking about AB, perpendicular, height of the tower, perpendicular, and what is given to you? Base. So you have to use the T ratio between P, perpendicular, and B, base. So P upon B, the T ratio is tan theta. Fine. Now what is P here? AB. What is base here? BC. And value of theta is 60 degree. Now substitute the values. AB we don't know, so you can take it X or write it AB only. Fine. BC, that is 15 meter. And tan 60 we all know tan 60 is under root 3. Fine. Now do cross multiplication. AB is equals to 15 root 3. So from here we can say AB is height of the tower. So height of the tower is 15 under root 3 meter. So I hope it is clear to you. So in second example, it is given an electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meter. Means on the ground there is one pole whose height is 5 meter. Fine. Further question says she needs to reach 1.3. She needs to reach 1.3 meter below. Means we have to reach somewhere here. The distance 1.3 meter below the top. Below the top of the pole to undertake the repair work. Means we have to repair, there is some electric fault which we have to repair, and the electric fault is at this place, so we have to reach till here. Further question says, what should be the length of the ladder? If we want to reach here, we have to use some ladder. So the length of the ladder we have to find out, that she should use when inclined at an angle of 60 degree to horizontal. If we are placing ladder, so we will place it like this, and it is inclined at 60 degree. Fine. Here I have to do the repair work. This is my ladder. Fine. So pole is vertical, means at the angle of 90 degree. Fine. The second angle you got 60 degree. Now the total height of the pole is 5 meter, but we are not using the complete height. We are using 1.3 meter below, means we have to subtract it. So when you will subtract 5 minus 1.3, you will get 3.7. So the height I am taking here is 3.7 meter, because my ladder is placed up to that point only. Fine. Now give names to it: A, B, C, and you can give D to this point. Fine. Now see, A, B, C. This is a right angle triangle. The side opposite to 90 degree is always hypotenuse. Side opposite to theta is perpendicular, and the third side is always base. Now check what you have to find out. Find out the length of the ladder. Means this thing, AC. AC in these words we can say hypotenuse. What thing is given to you? Perpendicular is given to you 3.7. Means perpendicular is given to you, hypotenuse you have to find out. So the T ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse is sine or cosecant, but use sine here. Fine. You can use cosecant also, it's your wish. I am using sine here. P upon H. Perpendicular is AB upon BC. Sorry, AC. Length of the ladder. Fine. And this is equal to sine theta. Substitute the values. AB is 3.7. AC we don't know. Sine theta. Sine theta is 60 degree. Fine. So further 3.7 upon AC, and value of sine 60 is under root 3 upon 2. Cross multiply. So 3.7 it will become 3.7 multiply by 2 upon under root 3. Now if you will check, in question one thing is given to you, take under root 3 is equal to 1.73. Fine. This value is given to you in the question only. Fine. So further multiply 3.7 into 2, it will become 7.4 divided by 1.73. When you will do it, so when you will solve it, you will get the answer 4. When you will solve it, you will get 4.28 meter. So I hope this is clear to you.